Hello friend, in this video I will show you your insurance policy for Bangladesh only. So enjoy it. The first thing you need to keep in mind when talking insurance. Then insurance policy. Every insurer shall be subject to all the provision of the Act in relation to any class of insurance business so long as is listed in Bangladesh in respect of business of the class remain unsuppressed or not there is provided for to be the provision of this act shall not apply to an insurance as defined in program 1 or 2 of subject class rate is of class rate 9 of section 2 in relation to any class of the insurance business was insured as closed date before the communicated of this act to entry into any new content of this class of business. To see A. No person other than A public company or B a society registered under 91 any law for the time begin in force in Bangladesh relation to come option operation societies or C a body corporate interpreted under of law any country outside Bangladesh not beginning of the nurse of a private company or a subsidiary of a private company shall start any insurance business in Bangladesh and a person there or other there a person sufficient in closet A or B or C was indicated before their communication of the insurance academy organization 9858 was carrying on Swiss business in Bangladesh shall after the expired of on year for which communicated discount with business. Number 2. No manual insurance company was not registered before they communicated of the insurance academy education 1980 for any class of insurance business shall be registered for any class of general insurance business and one manual insurance company was registered before was communicated for any class of insurance business shall be registered for any ordinary class of insurance business unless with company sufficient serve condition as any for probable exploration in the section OK manual insurance company has the meaning agreed to the in this part IV of the art and incorporated any company conversation for incorporated outside Bangladesh was in outside Bangladesh was east of the natural of a manual insurance company. Registration number 1. No person shall, after the communicated of this art, beginning to care on any class of insurance business in Bangladesh, and no insurer carrying on any class of insurance business in Bangladesh shall, after the expired of 3 months for this communicated of this art, continue to carry on the any subject business unless he this obligated for the chief controller of insurance a certificate of the registration for the fair grade class of insurance business provide that in the care of an insurance so who is as carrying on any class of insurance business in Bangladesh at the communicated of this art futurely to obtain a certificate of registration in accorded with a requirement of this subject section shall on objective of individually any contract of insurance attributed into by him if before was that and any be fixed in this behave by in government by notification in this officially gazette he has observed that certificate. So I hope you got an idea on insurance policy of Bangladesh. So I will talk anymore. I finish this video here. So thank you for this full video watching.